Sharp like crystal quartz achieving.
Peace, family. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to be able to live a longer, healthier life, free of disease, with the ability to not get sick, and bring the body to full health? My name is Ricardo, and I help business owners and business people abroad, CPAs, lawyers, doctors, live a longer, healthier life, free of disease, with the ability to not get sick by using alkaline herbs, foods, and minimal exercise. The purpose of what we do is simply to remove the mucus from the body that creates the disease. Like diabetes, for instance. Diabetes is simply when the mucus is corroding the pancreatic ducts and the inner core of the pancreas. So it needs to be cleansed. The ducts need to be cleansed, as well as the inner core of the pancreas. Now the insulin can flow through the pancreas like it properly needs to. So now you don't need to inject yourself to get insulin into your bloodstream. We teach you how to heal the body. We teach you which herbs are attached to what aspect of the body. But mainly what we focus on is cleansing the body and upbuilding the body. So how we have to do that is we have to break down the mucus, we have to flush it out of the body, and then we have to rebuild the cells, and then we have to maintain the cells once they have regenerated themselves. This is going to be giving your cells what it needs to regenerate themselves at its most optimal state. So we have the Cosmic Cell Cleanse program, and we have the Cosmic Body Academy program. This is our 3-month cleansing program where you're going to get everything you need to cleanse the body and regenerate the cells at their most optimal state. That program is only $19.98, and we also have our Cosmic Body Academy program. So the Cosmic Body Academy program includes the Cosmic Cell Cleanse program within it, but you also get the course where we go inside and we teach you the importance of herbology, and we teach you the ancient cultures of how they use the herbs, and we teach you the aspect of how each herb is attached to each part of the body, so you know what herbs to use for what specific part of the body. And this is generational information. So once you obtain it, you pass it on to your child, and they pass it on to their child, and eventually over the generations we're going to get healthier and healthier and healthier, and that's what we want. So the Cosmic Body Academy program is only $49.48, which is a steal for the information that you're getting in there to literally live a long life for generations to come. So this is powerful information. So order yours today. If you would like to speak with us, click the link below and schedule to have a strategy call with us. Our simple goal is to remove the mucus from the body that's causing these ailments. See you soon on the side of healing.